Chala Perek Revi Mishnah Beis. In the previous Mishnah we learnt that two doughs of the same type can join together to make up the required share, which we've learned previously is 5/4 of a kav, or 5 lug, the equivalent. This Mishnah starts off by asking, Eizehu min b'minoi? What is considered a similar variety, a similar type of grain, and therefore would join up to make up the required shear? And as we've learnt at the beginning of the Masechta, there are 5 types of grain: wheat, barley, spelt, oats and rye. Says the Mishnah, Eizehu min b'minoi, what is considered a similar variety of grain? Hachitim, wheat, einon mitztorfos im hakel. Join with nothing. Do not join with any of the other species of grain. Elo im hakusmin, just with spelt. So if there was a kav of wheat and right next to or joining a kav of spelt, making up the required shear of the 5/4 of a kav, then challah could be taken. Sa'orim, hasa'orim, barley, mitztorfis and makel, they do join with the other species of grain, chutz min hachitim, besides wheat. Wheat and barley are not the same type. However, if they join up with the other types of grain, it means spelt does join up with barley. And we just learnt in the first part of the Mishnah that wheat joins up with spelt. Explains the Bartanura that spelt is min sa'orim, it's similar to sa'orim, va'af min chitim, it's also considered part of the species of chitim too, and therefore it can join up with both chitim and sa'orim. Rabbi Yochanan ben Nuri Omer, Rabbi Yochanan ben Nuri says, Sha'or haminim, the other 3 species, which was spelt, oats and rye, mitztorfim zeh in zeh, they join up with each other, spelt together with rye, etc. And explains the case of Mishnah, Rabbi Yosef Cairo, on the Rambam, and also the Vilna Gaon, explains that Rabbi Yochanan ben Nuri is not arguing with the first part of the Mishnah, the Tana Kama, but just is explaining and adding to that view, and therefore there's no machlukas between the two.